I've recently purchased the Zemismart M1 hub, and this hub supports Zigbee and Thread, and it's also a smart matter hub. The reason for purchasing the hub is that I'm working on my Home Assistant setup, and I'm looking to monitor power usage in my house. A lot of the Tuya devices that I have work fine within the Tuya app in terms of how much power is being consumed, but they don't play nice with Home Assistant, which prefers Zigbee. So I needed to get a Zigbee hub. I could have purchased an earlier, cheaper version than this, but because this one has Thread and Matter, I decided it made sense just to buy the latest one. So how much did I pay? I purchased it here in Thailand for 1,500 baht, which is 45 US dollars. So not a huge expense. So let's have a look to see what we have in the box. So included in the box, in addition to the hub itself, is a tiny network cable. The reason for the network cable is the fact that this hub doesn't support Wi-Fi, and so it needs to be cabled. And it's powered by USB-C, so there's a equally tiny USB-A to USB-C cable. There's a SIM tool for resetting the device, so that was nice to be included. Instructions, and on there you've got a QR code, Matter QR code for adding it to the Tuya app. If you lose the instructions, there's another one actually underneath the hub. So it's a pretty simple device, really. You've got your network port, your power port, which is USB-C, the reset button for which you need SIM removal tool. And it has 4 little feet, but I didn't really want it sitting on my workbench here because it would have got covered in all sorts of grime. So we'll have a look at the setup I've got here. So I fixed the hub to the wall and supplied my own USB and network cable. One of the other things I didn't mention is the fact that it comes with an indicator light to show that you've got power, and there's a second light while it's in pairing mode. So adding the hub to the Tuya Smart Home app, it's simply a matter of scanning the QR code that's on the device, and you can see that it's all set up there. Once that's set up, then you can add sub-devices that require the Zigbee protocol, which I'll cover in my next video.